I broke it. Yay! You can see it's Nokia Lumia 430. The DAD OS. And you can see I will turn it on. The battery is all full also. And you can see also the screen is cracked and I cannot touch them also. So today I'm gonna replace the screen, or I can say touch screen maybe? Yeah, touch screen. And you can see in my table I had another touch screen to replace. So this is iPaulWork. I'm Paul. So let's get started. The first thing gonna do, I'm gonna take the back and take the battery also. Take the SIM card out. Okay, there we go. And then unscrew this thing. I'm gonna cut it apart because it's take too long. And then I'm gonna take the touchscreen, it's already broken, and I'm gonna open the back frame using my nails. Wait, I'm gonna take some pick, and then I'm gonna use my nails first, and then insert my pick after I found it, and there you go. Insert a pick for open this thing. Forgot there's memory card, and there you go. Wait, I'm gonna open that. It's a little bit rough, and there you go. The back frame already open, and you can see what's inside this thing. I'm gonna unscrew this motherboard. Okay, there you go. Connect the touchscreen. Get already ripped off, and then disconnect the LCDs. Wait, oh sorry, and there you go. Wait, I'm only changing the touchscreen. What the hell I'm doing? Okay, I'm gonna connect it again. Okay, there you go. How stupid am I? You can see that. Okay, you can see the touchscreen. It's brand new. I'm gonna pressing the glue for making the glue stronger. But wait, I'm gonna test this thing first because I don't want there's any problem before I install this thing. Okay, I'm gonna insert the touchscreen. Wait. Alright, there you go. Okay, but before that, please note I'm only changing the touchscreen only. But if you want change the LCD, you should open the motherboard first, because if you only open the LCDs only, you can damage the flexible. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. Wait a sec. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna install the frame first because it doesn't have any, well, you know what I can say that in English. It's not precise, the battery is not precise. I mean, okay, there you go. It's turned on. I'm gonna test this thing. And here we are. Okay, it's still working. Okay, the navigation bar is still working. Okay, come on. Okay, it has a little bit problem, but I don't mind it because I'm not gonna use that anymore. I just want this thing still functional. Okay, take the battery and take the frame. Okay, come on. Alright, you can use your hand or use your pick, it's optional, but I'm gonna use my hand because it's way more easier, I think. Disconnect this thing. Yeah, I'm gonna clean the LCD first before I'm install this thing. And then I'm gonna push the glue, or I can say the tape for making the tape more stronger when I install this thing. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna open the protector. You can see that. Yeah. Okay, jokes around, and we can see that I already cleaned the LCD and it's time to use this. Okay, insert the cable, flexible cable, and then place the touchscreen on the frame. Alright, there you go. And then press it a little bit. Okay, there you go. Don't press it too hard. And then connect the touchscreen into the motherboard. Wait a sec. Wait, not? Okay, there you go. And then install the back frame. Press the frame. Okay, there you go. And here we are. Almost done. And then screw this thing. But wait a minute, I forgot something. I forgot this thing. Yeah, I forgot to screw the motherboard again. Oh my god, what's always happening? And then reinstall the frame by pushing them. Okay, there you go. And make sure you don't forget anything. And then screw this thing again. And there you go. Install the battery again. And then I'm gonna install another case, orange case. Okay, there you go. Okay, it's installed. And let's turn it on. There you go. Okay, there you go. Already into menu. At least it still works. I know it has a little bit error, but at least this thing still works. Okay. But the navigation button still work properly. Okay. Alright, here we are. And then open the protector. Okay, there you go. The residue, I'm gonna clean that. Using a spudger. And here we are, already clean and good as new. And if you like this content, be sure to press subscribe button. It really means a lot to me, and don't forget to press like. I'm iPaulWork, and see ya.